Do you want to know how to make millions on TikTok? Let's start by looking at this social media giant's potential. TikTok, a platform once dismissed as a fad for teenagers, has rapidly evolved into an absolute powerhouse, surpassing the likes of Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube in terms of user engagement and time spent. Don't believe me? Well, in just a few short years, TikTok has amassed over 800 million active users worldwide, and it's still growing. What does this mean for you? Well, it means opportunity, and a lot of it. As a content creator, TikTok's user base is a vast ocean of potential viewers for your content, but it's not just about the numbers, it's about the engagement. TikTok's unique algorithm means that even new creators can get their content in front of hundreds, thousands, or even millions of eyes. And where there are eyes, there's potential for income. TikTok has become a gold mine for content creators, with top creators earning millions of dollars each year. And it's not just the big names making money. Smaller creators with niche audiences are also cashing in, thanks to TikTok's Creator Fund and the platform's ability to drive traffic to other monetized platforms. What's more, TikTok isn't just about short-term gain. Building a following on TikTok can set you up for long-term success. As the platform continues to grow and evolve, so too do the opportunities for income generation. From brand partnerships and sponsored posts to merchandise sales and beyond, the potential for making money on TikTok is truly staggering. So, with all this potential, TikTok is not just a social media platform, it's a gold mine that's ripe for the picking for those willing to put in the work and seize the opportunities it presents. Now, you might be wondering, how can you tap into this TikTok gold mine, right? To make millions on TikTok, first you need to understand how its algorithm works. Think of the TikTok algorithm as a talent scout, perpetually on the hunt for exciting new content to showcase. But this scout has preferences, and understanding these can significantly boost your chances to hit the spotlight. So, how does it work? Well, TikTok's algorithm uses a recommendation system that keeps track of your interactions. It's like a digital detective, taking notes every time you share, like follow, or even just spend time watching a particular video. It then uses this information to curate a personalized feed that aligns with your interests. But here's the kicker. This algorithm is not just about personal preferences. It also favors certain types of content. For instance, videos that spark engagement in the form of comments, shares, and likes are more likely to be promoted. The algorithm loves a good conversation, so content that triggers discussions or reactions is a surefire way to get its attention. Moreover, the algorithm appreciates originality. Repetitive content or videos that are too similar to others already on the platform may be less likely to be promoted. So get creative and show off your unique personality or perspective. And let's not forget about completion rate. If viewers watch your video from start to finish, the algorithm takes note and is more likely to recommend your content to others. So keep your videos engaging to ensure viewers stick around till the end. But remember, the TikTok algorithm is always learning and evolving, just like its users. So, you'll need to stay on your toes, constantly experimenting and adapting your content to keep up with its ever-changing preferences. In short, to win the TikTok game, your content should be engaging, original, and keep viewers hooked till the very last second. Mastering TikTok's algorithm is the first step to making millions on the platform. Next, you need to create engaging content that grabs your audience's attention. Now, this is where the fun begins. Crafting engaging content is like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients, in the right amounts and mixed in the right way. So, let's gather our ingredients, shall we? First up is authenticity. TikTok users crave genuineness. They want to see the real you, not a carbon copy of someone else. So, embrace your uniqueness, showcase your personality, and don't be afraid to let your quirks shine through. Next is relevance. TikTok is a fast-paced platform. Trends come and go in the blink of an eye, so keep your content fresh and up to date. Follow the trends, but put your unique spin on them. Remember, relevance is key in connecting with your audience and staying at the top of their minds. Then we have creativity. Think outside the box, push the boundaries, and dare to be different. TikTok loves originality. So don't just follow the crowd. Blaze your own trail and set the trends. Now let's talk about entertainment. TikTok is first and foremost a platform for entertainment. So make your content fun and enjoyable. Incorporate humor, tell stories, and don't forget to infuse your content with a healthy dose of positive energy. Lastly, we have value. Provide something of value to your audience. Whether it's a life hack, a beauty tip, or a motivational quote, Your audience should walk away from your content feeling like they've gained something. Mix all these ingredients together, and you have a recipe for engaging content that's sure to resonate with the TikTok audience. But how do I know if my content is engaging, you might ask? Well, the TikTok algorithm is your best judge. If your content is engaging, it'll get more views, more likes, and more shares. So pay close attention to your analytics. They're your roadmap to success. Remember, the more engaging your content, the more views and followers you'll attract. Now that you have an engaged audience, it's time to start monetizing your TikTok account. Once you've built a solid base of followers who are actively engaging with your content, the next step is to begin generating income. There are several ways to do this on TikTok. Firstly, brand partnerships. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers who can help them reach a wider audience. If your content aligns with a particular brand, they might approach you for a partnership. This could involve you promoting their products in your videos in exchange for payment. Remember, it's crucial to partner with brands that resonate with your content and audience to maintain authenticity. Secondly, sponsored posts. Similar to brand partnerships, sponsored posts involve promoting a product or service within your video. However, in this case, the brand pays you to create a post specifically about their product or service. It's like a mini commercial within your TikTok video. Again, it's important to ensure the product or service aligns with your content and audience. Lastly, there's the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a pool of money that TikTok has set aside to pay creators for their content. The amount you earn from the Creator Fund depends on a variety of factors, including the number of views your videos get and the level of engagement from your followers. To be eligible, you need to be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, and have received at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. These are just a few of the ways to monetize your TikTok account. There are also opportunities for live gifts, e-commerce, and more. The important thing is to explore the options and choose the ones that best align with your content and audience. There are many ways to monetize your TikTok account, but the key is to choose the methods that align with your content and audience. Finally, remember that consistency is key if you want to make millions on TikTok. It's like cooking a stew. You can't just throw in all the ingredients at once and expect a gourmet meal. You need to add them in at the right time, stir it up, let it simmer, and give it time to develop those rich flavors. The same principle applies to your TikTok journey. Posting regularly is the secret ingredient that keeps your audience waiting for more. It's more than just about being seen, it's about creating a rhythm that your followers can dance to. And then there's your brand image. Maintaining a consistent image is like giving your stew a signature flavor. It's what makes you, you. It's what makes your followers come back for more. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience and persistence. It's about stirring that pot, even when you feel like nothing's cooking. With consistency and patience, you can make millions on TikTok. So there you have it, your roadmap to making millions on TikTok. We've journeyed through the TikTok goldmine, unraveling the mysteries of its algorithm and exploring how to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. We've discussed the potential of monetizing your TikTok account and emphasized the importance of staying consistent with your content creation. This platform is more than a simple social media app. It's a potential income stream, a place where creativity meets commerce. The potential to generate substantial income on TikTok is real. And with the strategies we've shared, you're now equipped to tap into that potential. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with perseverance and the strategies we've discussed, you're well on your way to becoming a TikTok millionaire. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications. This is Money Masters, signing off.